Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find the area which is shaded here in yellow. We are familiar with the area if we know the inputs instead of outputs and the curve. We can find the area, this curve, and the area between this curve and the axis of x. So how we were finding this area? Yeah, we know the outputs which is 1 and 4. And if we check for the inputs, we need to write in this function because we know that f of x equals x squared. So when the output is 1, and when we check the input, which is x, is gonna be 1. Since we're working in the positive side, I didn't write the negative 1. So it's gonna be 1 here. So how about the input when the output is 4? We will solve the equation here, 4 equals x squared, and the x will be like 2. So the input is 2 when the output is 4. And we can find this area, which is in yellow, the blue here. So when we write the integral from 1 to 2 and the function x squared, we will find the integral of its x squared is gonna be, we are increasing by 1 to power, which is 3, and we divide it by 2. And the boundaries is from 1 to 2. And when we substitute these boundaries, it will be 2 to the 3 minus 1 to 3 divided by 3, which is 7 over 3. So we find now this area 7 over 3. And how we're going to find the area of which is in yellow? So we see that there are two rectangles here. One of them is big, and the size of this rectangle, one is 4 and the other one is 2, the side. So we subtract from this the other rectangle, the area of the other rectangle here, 1 time 1. So we will find 7. This one, the value is uh, the yellow one and the blue one, the area of the yellow and the blue. So we can write yellow plus 7 over 3, which is equals 7. So the area of the yellow is 7 minus 7 over 3 equals 14 over 3. So we find this area, the yellow one, but we can use a bit easier solution. So how are we gonna make it? So if you write the function in terms of y, because here the function is written by in terms of x, it's gonna be like, we know that y equals x squared. But if you write x in terms of y, which is x equals square root of y, and if you look for the integral in terms of y from 1 to 4, we can find the area between the curve and the axis of y. So how we're going to make it? We will write the integral from 1 to 4, and the function is going to be y squared, because now we write in this function in terms of y, and the integral is also in terms of y. So what's the integral of this function? We know that is the power of y squared is y to 1 over 2. So we will look for this integral. We will increase it by 1 again, so it will be 3 over 2. We need to multiply it by 2 over 3. So the boundaries in here is 1 to 4. So we will substitute the boundaries, which is first, I will make 2 over 3 out of the parenthesis. So we're gonna substitute first 4, which is 4 to 3 over 2 minus 1 to 3 over 2. From here, we will find 2 over 3 times in parentheses this 4 is 2 to 2. From here, in parentheses, we will find these are eliminated each other. So it will be 2 to 3 minus 1, and 2 over 3 times 7, which is 14 over 3, the same answer. Yeah. Thank you for listening.